literally public says, "Hello, a huge asteroid is passing close to Earth. Should we be worried?" Hey everyone! In today's video, we'll be talking about a huge asteroid that's as big as a skyscraper. This asteroid is about to pass very close to Earth, and it's happening on Tuesday. But don't worry, scientists are keeping an eye on it. We'll explain everything you need to know about this asteroid, why it's called potentially hazardous, and what the experts are saying. So, what's this asteroid all about? Well, it's a massive space rock that's about the size of a skyscraper. Asteroids are basically big chunks of rock that float around in space, and sometimes they come close to Earth. This one is called a potentially hazardous asteroid, but that doesn't mean it's going to hit us. In fact, it's going to skim past Earth. Scientists estimate that it's between 300 and 600 feet long. That's like a 40-story building. It's moving at super high speeds, around 22,000 miles per hour. Why is it called potentially hazardous? You might be wondering, why do they call it potentially hazardous? Does that mean we're in danger? Actually, no. NASA and other space experts use this term for asteroids that are large enough and come close enough to Earth that we need to keep an eye on them. If anything this big were to actually hit Earth, it could cause a lot of damage. But don't worry, this one is not going to crash into us. It's going to pass by at a distance of about 1.5 million miles from Earth. That sounds far, but in space terms, it's kind of close. For comparison, the Moon is about 239,000 miles away from us, so this asteroid will be about 6 times farther than the Moon. What would happen if it hit Earth? Now, let's imagine for a second what would happen if an asteroid this big did hit Earth. Scientists say that if an asteroid of this size hit our planet, it would cause a big explosion. It could destroy a city or even cause widespread damage depending on where it hits. But again, the good news is that this asteroid is not going to hit us. In fact, NASA has said there's no known asteroid that's on course to collide with Earth anytime soon. They track all these big space rocks to make sure we stay safe. How do scientists track asteroids? NASA and other space agencies use special telescopes and radar to keep track of asteroids. They've been doing this for years, and they have a pretty good system to detect if anything is coming too close for comfort. This specific asteroid has been tracked for a while, and they know its path very well. They also have plans in place just in case an asteroid is ever on a collision course with Earth. In fact, they've even tested ways to push an asteroid off course using a spacecraft. It's called the DART mission, and they successfully changed the direction of a small asteroid last year. Conclusion. So, to wrap it all up, this asteroid is a big one, but there's no need to panic. It's going to pass by Earth at a safe distance. Scientists are always keeping an eye on space, so we'll know if anything dangerous ever comes our way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cool space news.